Welcome everybody to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix sound problem on FC mobile game easy and quick. So guys, to fix this problem, directly open the settings of your device, click on apps option and search for FC mobile and click on it when you see it. So scroll this list down, click storage, click clear cache, and you should back right now. Click on force stop and click OK. Directly go to Play Store or App Store, update FC Mobile, restart now your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.